With an online cookbook, you will be able to share your cookbook with family and friends almost instantly, no matter the distance. You will be able to view your cookbook as long as you have access to a computer with the internet. You can have others collaborate with you on the cookbook if they have a Google Drive account as well. Google Drive is essentially web-based Microsoft Office or iWorks. All documents placed on Google Drive are available for viewing or editing on any computer with internet access via your Google Drive account. With Google Drive, you are capable of uploading documents for online storage and creating new documents. All documents on your Google Drive can be published to the web to be shared with others. This tutorial is designed for you to create as you follow along. Stopping points have been built in to allow you time to complete an activity. There are also self-check points to make sure you are on the right track. Do remember, you are free to pause whenever necessary. To get started, we need to first create a Google Drive account if you do not already have one. To create an account, go to the Google Drive webpage at drive.google.com. The Google Drive page looks like this. If you have an account, log in at the right. Otherwise, you will need to sign up for a Google Drive account by clicking the red Sign Up button. Do you already have a Google account such as a Gmail email account? If so, click the blue Sign In Here link. If not, let's create your account now. Enter your current email address into the first box. Create an 8-character password and enter it into the second and third boxes. Choose your location from the drop-down menu. Enter your birthday following the format of the example given, month, day, then year. Next, you will see a verification code. Type this code into the text box below. If you are having difficulties reading the text code, click on the blue handicap symbol to hear the code. Click the checkbox beside I agree to the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Next, click Create My Account. At this point, you should have successfully created an account. If your account was not created, check back over the form for any error messages. Once these issues have been resolved, you will be able to create your Google Drive account. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. Let's check your progress so far. Did you successfully create an account if you did not already have one? Were you able to log into your account? If the answer is yes, let's keep going. If the answer is no, pause the tutorial and try to log in again. If you are still having difficulties, go back to the beginning of the tutorial to check that all steps have been completed. Once you have logged into your account, make sure Drive is bold in the black menu bar. This is the document list where your documents will appear. If you have a brand new account, there will be nothing listed here. To create a new document, click the red Create button on the left. From the drop-down menu, you will select the type of document you want to create. We will be using a presentation to create our cookbook. Your new presentation will open in a new tab. Now we must choose a theme or background for the presentation. Select the one you want by clicking on it and then click OK. We now have a title page. You can edit your title page by clicking inside the text box. Add any title of your choosing. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. Now we will add a second page by using the drop-down menu for the red plus button. I'm going to use the two-column format to enter our recipe information. Our new page is added after the title page. Just like the title page, click inside the text box to add text. I'm going to make the left column the ingredients list. After adding the title, click on the bullets icon in the formatting bar. This will allow us to create an indented list. At the end of each ingredient, press Enter or Return to start a new line. Adding directions will follow the same process as the ingredients list. Click inside the text box and add a title. This time, I will use numbers to indicate a new step. Click on the Format in the menu bar, select List Styles, and select the numbers you like best. Begin typing the directions. At the end of each step, click Enter Return to move to a new numbered step. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. It's time to check your progress again. So far, you should have created a presentation with a title page and added a second slide to serve as a recipe page with a title, an ingredients list, and numbered directions. Review what we have covered in the tutorial thus far if you have any lingering doubts. If you had successfully completed the first recipe page, you can begin adding more pages. Now that we have a couple of recipes in the cookbook, let's add pictures. Go back to the drop-down menu for the red plus button. This time we will select the caption slide. This slide gives us a lot of open space with a small caption at the bottom. Just like our other slides, click inside the text box and add your text. To add a picture, click on Insert in the menu bar. Then click on Image from the drop-down menu. A new window opens for the image loader. Click on the blue button in the middle of the screen that reads Choose an image to upload. This will bring up a new window with your documents. Select the folder your picture is in and select your picture. Now click the Open button. Your picture will appear on the slide. Now you can edit the picture to appear on the slide the way you want. Click on your picture to make sure it is selected. You know it is selected because handles or little boxes appear on the corners and center of the edges. Click and hold the picture to drag it to the desired position on the slide. Release to place the picture. To change the size, click and hold one of the handles and drag it in the appropriate direction. Again, release to set the size. To add a second picture, follow the same steps. Click on Insert, click on Image, click on the blue Image button, select your image, click Open, click and hold the image to move it, click and hold a handle on the image to change its size. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. If you want to change which picture appears on top, select the picture you wish to move, click on Arrange in the menu bar, select Order, and select the direction with which you want the picture to move. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. To change the order of the pages or slides in your cookbook, click and hold the slide you want to move. Drag the slide to the desired position. A black bar will indicate where the slide will be placed when you release. This will allow you to change the order in which your pages appear in your finished cookbook. Any document you create in Google Drive automatically saves as indicated in the top. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. Let's check your progress again. We have added a new page with pictures and resized, repositioned, and/or rearranged those pictures. We have also changed the order of the pages. If you are unsure about anything we have covered, review the tutorial while you continue to work. If you feel good about your work so far, continue working so we can publish the cookbook to the internet and share it with friends and family. Once the cookbook is finished, I'm sure you want to share it with others. We will do this by publishing it to the internet. Click on Files, scroll down and select Publish to Web. On the publication pop-up box, click Start Publishing button. Click OK when you are asked if you are sure you want to publish. This is the information for your published document. If your email service is something other than Gmail, you will need to click on the document link. With that selected, go to Edit and click on Copy. At this point, go to your email and paste a link inside of an email to send out. If you use Gmail, you can click on the blue Gmail link. This will open a new email for you to send to everyone. Take a moment to pause the video here so you can complete the prior steps. To see your finished cookbook as others will see it, copy and paste the document link in a new window in your internet browser. Unfortunately, you will have to wait to hear from everyone to find out if the email went through with the link. If you have any lingering doubts, review any or all parts of the tutorial. You can pause the tutorial at any point to complete your current task. To access your cookbook later, log into your Google Drive account. Find your cookbook in the Documents list and click the name. Your cookbook will open in a new tab. When your cookbook opens, you can select the recipe you want from the page index on the left. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. Enjoy using this to create future projects.